What's up, everybody? Welcome to this week's upcoming Options Pro weekly webinar for small accounts. All right, before we get started, guys, please pause your screen and read this disclaimer. All right, welcome back. Now, before we move forward, please, guys, like what I'm doing here, please hit a like on this video, please. All right, let's get it moving here. All right, what do we have coming up this week for, where are we? All right, well, what do we have coming up this week for weekly earnings? First thing on the board back for Monday. Monday is not really something big for us. Nothing really reporting for us that'll affect us. Tuesday, CVS, Under Armour. After the close is Skills. We trade that. Upwork, Lyft, Match. Match could have a second jump up. What else do we have? Wednesday, SunPower. I don't trade them. I just have them at home. After the close is PayPal, Rocket, Etsy, Uber, Twilo, Fastly. A lot of stuff Wednesday after the close. Thursday, Moderna. We trade that. Wayfair. Thursday after the close is a bigger one also. Square, Roku, Peloton, AMC, Beyond Meat, Dropbox, GoPro, Datadog, a lot of stuff. And then Friday before the open is DraftKings and the famous Nicola and Cronus too. We should be in play for that. What do we have up for economy data? Monday, manufacturing PMI 945, manufacturing index at 10, construction spending at 10. Those are stuff that can cause a blip on us. Tuesday, trade deficit and factory orders. You have to watch out for those. Wednesday, employment report. Market services, PMI at 945. Thursday, the job claims again. It should be up again. And then Friday, the non-farm payrolls will affect the market if they have a miss on that. All righty, let's keep it rolling here. Get to the charts. All righty. All right, guys. As I've been telling you guys, please try and focus on one or two setups first, guys. Do not try and catch every trade, guys. You will not catch every trade. All right? Find two or three of these stocks you guys like, right? Learn how the premiums move on them, right? And then master them. Master these. These places can hand you a trade every day. But if you're looking for those crazy 1,000% winners and stuff like that, guys, you're in the wrong business. Alrighty. ES, let's start with the future so far. What happened last week? Alrighty. Here, sorry guys, here I have three charts up: the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour charts. On the daily, I have the 50 and the 200 simple moving average only, and volume down here. That's all I typically look for on Sundays. Alrighty, ES, kind of flagged right here, popped up, and it's in a zone right now between this 4160 and 4210 area. All right, I'm looking for a retest of this trend line for the next move up through 4210 up towards 4240 area. If we break under this trend line and close under this trend line, see, it's key where we close. Now, if we just break under, we have to close under this trend line, right? I'm watching this support line right here around 4155 area. If that breaks, going down towards this 4120 area. How does that correlate with buy now? If you see right here, the last 4 days after we reported, right? We had this hammer up here, right, on an uptrend line. All right. So what I'm looking for here now is a break under this 416 area for a retest of this 414, 412 level. We have room down to this 410. If this 410 does break, we're going to drop down towards this 405 area. And then that should hold unless something crazy happens during the week. Qs, it's in the zone right now for the last couple of days, last 10 days almost, between this 340, 250, which I've been having a problem trying to break. And we have to go down towards this 335 area. Inside of here, it's been hard to trade and stay profitable. You have to be quick on your scalps inside of here. I'm looking for, obviously, to break over the highs, 340, 250, for a move up towards that 345 area. On the downside, break under this 335. We should retest this 332 and 330 areas. We have room all the way down towards 325. Alrighty, let's get started with Apple. Apple reported, and like every earnings does, it went up and then it came right back down. Like Amazon did, like Tesla did. All right, so now what I'm looking for is a hold of this 130 area. All right, I'll break over this 133. We have a trade in the range up towards this 135 area. I'll break over this 136 here to be safe, right? Trade this up toward in the money strikes, guys. In the money strikes. I'm gonna keep saying this to you guys. You have to stay in the money. All right, 136 up to this 138, 140 area. I'll break over that. We're going back up to this 142. On the downside, I'll break under this 130. Trade is down towards this 128, 127, and then 125 areas. All righty. So let me just bring up something here. Let's go to 10-day, 15-minute chart here. All right, guys. They were put it over here. All right. Monday was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. It was right here. Monday was hard to trade it. All right. As was Tuesday. It didn't give you a clear play. It was just chopping in the zone. So you had no trades on her these 3 days here. All right. Now on Thursday, on this drop, you had a scalp. It didn't pay that much right there. It was kind of zoning here. But then that break right here, and you're watching the price action here, you know, that break of 133, you had a scalp down towards 132.50. Now, what I'm looking for next week should hand us clearer trades. You see right here, should be in this range right here. So we want to see the hourly chart closing over these levels here, either under 130 or above 136 on the hourly chart. And eventually will be tradable again. Inside of here, it's not an easy trade. All right. Let's go to AMD, which handed us plenty of trades. She's still holding this uptrend line right here. All right. So last week, let's do this one first. All right. 10-day, 15-minute. Plenty of trades here. Plenty of trades here. At the open, you know, she hand you a strong play up for 15 minutes, followed by some chop then. We talked about the close over this 84 area, right? With a retest of that 90. That's exactly what happened. She went up above here, she ran up towards the 90, rejected, it came right back down. All right? She trades in zones. In zones. She holds at this 74, 74 to 80, 80 to 84, 84 to 90. That's its zones here. All right, so the more you watch these stocks, right, and the more you stare at the premiums, you're going to learn how these stocks typically move. Are they morning stocks, afternoon stocks, power hour stocks? You know, so focus on a few of these plays here. All right, so what I'm looking for this week on AMD, I want to see this 80 area, right? I want to see it hold this area, push back up, right? If you rise down towards 80 and starts heading back up, and break up 82, you can trade it up towards 84. That a 4 breaks, right? You can trade this up every $2, right? Here's going to stop now at around 89 now. All right, on the downside, a break under 80 trades back down towards the 78, 77, and then 75 area. All right, it's all about ranges. It's all about trading with the levels enhancing. All right, so this crossover right here, the 50s crossing the 200 on the downside. So that is a bearish signal right there. So the key is going to be how she holds here. All right, next one, Bank of America. Again, broke that range. You got a nice trade from 32 up towards 41. Now, that move up right there on Bank of America is going to give you a good return. It's 80 cents over here, but those premiums would have jumped for you a good 20 cents probably. So trade here, guys. She's a great trade for small accounts. All right, so here I'm looking for the break under this 40, trading back down towards 39 and 38. The break of 41 trades back up towards 42. All right, next one, Blink. What did she do this week? Not much, and it's looking like not much is going to happen with her. Same zones as last week. Not a great area for her. Citibank only was a great area. See, this trend line under the daily, I've had this up for some time now. It hits this level, drops back down. Hits it, drops down, over and over. All right. So I'm looking for the aggressive trade is a break over 73, trading up to a 73.50 area. The safer trade is on the hourly, a break over the 74 level, trading up to a 75.76 area. If you breaks the trend line and closes above the trend line, you have a trade. All right, on the downside, a break on the 70, traded down towards 69 and 68. Inside of here, I wouldn't touch it. All right, CCIV wasn't, I don't think it was great this week, was it? You know, one little spurt. One little spurt. Here's still this 26 break is the key here. All right, so a break on this 20, trade back down towards 18. All right, I made a lower high, so it's more on the downside. So from 20 to 18 and then down towards this 17 and 16 area. All right, DraftKings reports on Friday. All right, I'm looking for the break over this 58 for the trader back up towards 60 and 62. That's on the upside. On the downside, a break on this 56, trading back down towards 55 and 54. Around 54, I will not be holding it. A break under 54 and a close under 53, traded back down towards 50. All right. Next one, INTC was a great one this week. If you traded it, let's go to the hourly here. And there's a nice drop down here, right here. All right, so what I'm looking for is a quick trade on the break under 57. You have an H setup right here, a break under 57, scalp it down towards the 56 area. That 56 breaks, you have room down towards 54.50. Now, if she holds right here, right, you want to catch a break over this 58.50 or trade back up towards 60. And we have the cap fill up 61 and 62. JPM. Break over this 156 up towards 158 and 60, 160 again. On the downside, I'm not loving it at all. MU in this range right here, stuck inside of here. Still the break over 90 up towards 92, 94 looks great. Break under 84 down towards 82 and 80 is another trade inside of here. You need to be precise with your entries and exits to stay profitable. All right, guys. So next week, I'm going to be adding 2 more stocks inside of this setup here. Right now, you need to be focusing on a few plays only. If you're trying to catch every trade, I guarantee you, you will not be profitable. Focus on 1, 2, possibly 3 setups. grow your account slowly, and then the profits will add up for you. If you're trying to catch Amazon with an account of 2K, it's not trading, it's gambling. So focus on learning the art of trading, growing your account slowly. All right, guys, stay green, everybody. See you next week. And remember, again, like,